Hello ma'am, my name is Yuvraj. I read in first class. I am 5 years old. Today I talk about my topic Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He born Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. He was a great scientist. He was the president of our India. He was the 11th president of our India. He make 5 missiles. They named Trisul, Agni, Nag, Prithvi, Akash. I will show you. Thank you. Have a nice day.